warm, sunny day, mayroong magkakaibigan na nag-decide mag-vacation.
Guys, the exams are over na. Makakapagbakasyon na tayo. Are you guys G?
Oh yes, since it's so hot na and magsa-summer na rin, ang gandang mag-vacation tayo.
But where should we bakasyon? Do you guys have a plan for it now? Well, meron kaming resort sa Batangas. Gusto niyo ba rin?
OMG, yes. I think we should go there. I really want to see your family resort.
So, ano yung plans? Sino magdadala ng snacks? Sino yung magdadala ng equipments? And of course, yung pang-transpo natin.
Well, I got you guys covered. Alam niyo naman, malakas kayo sa akin, diba?
Yay! Excited na talaga.
Me too! Batangas, here we go!
We're here, guys!
OMG, honey! This is so lit. It's so ganda here.
You're right. Hindi ko akalain ganito kaganda yung place nyo, honey.
Oh, enough the chatter na. Let's get our things inside na para we have some fun agad, di ba?
More, Dad! Help me! These things are so heavy.
Yes, I'll help us out then para mabilis na tayo.
Gosh, I slept well.
Same. I think it's because pagod din kasi tayo kagabi. Pero I got up earlier than you guys.
Yeah, right now, gutom na nafe-feel ko eh. Si Karen kaya, nakapagluto.
So, ano nga?
Guys, you have to see this. I was just gonna drink and then
what?
I just saw her laying on the ground with a knife on her hand.
No, hindi pa siya nag-suicide?
That's impossible. She has 10 stabs on her body.
Are you saying that she was murdered?
I think so.
Pero, who would such things like that?
I don't know who it was, pero magbabayad yung gumawa sa kanila to sa best friend ko.
But we were the only people in this place.
Pero nga, tayo ng people.
So are you saying na isa sa atin ang tumatay? So are you saying na isa sa atin ang tumatay?
Zay,
What is it ba?
I might know who's the killer.
Sinasabi mo lang ba yan para hindi kami maging suspicious eh?
No, of course not. Hindi mo ba nakikita? It's obviously Han.
Damn, that's right.
Now, where did you galing?
To think about it, siya naman na una nagising ko. And the way she acts to Karen's body is so suspicious. And di ba, sa kanya na yung place na to? What if she plot the whole murder?
That's right. It all makes sense now.
We should have never tiwala her.
Alam nyo guys, i-report na lang natin yung intel na binuo natin to the police.
Yes, that's a good idea.
They reported to the police yung nabuo nilang theory patungkol sa murder case of Karen Aposaga. Later on, Hani was arrested for killing Karen Aposaga and have the rights to defend herself with an attorney.
It wasn't me! I swear!
Miss Honey, I'm your attorney, Mr. Griffin. Ako ang mag-help sa'yo throughout this case regarding sa case.
No! You don't get it! I don't have to be defended. I was framed!
Miss...
I was framed by the true killer.
Well, do you know who's the true killer then?
No! The true killer is everywhere. They're watching, listening. I saw them! Nakita ko sila watching Karen be killed. It was them!
Miss Honey, please calm down.
I can when they're here with us. I should takbo. Bago pa ako mahanap ng murderer. Hindi ako makakachir.
You're the one who done all this. It was all your fault.
But do you know, it's all in your head. Honey was right. The killer was watching, listening, right back. Ikaw ang nag-create ng gulong ito sa utak mo. Lahat ng ito ay nasa likod ng